everybody!
Hi!
I am Kendra, and this is
Victoria!
and we are recycling coordinators for the Horry County Solid Waste Authority. We would like to thank all you guys for tuning back in or tuning in for the first time to Wow Wednesday.
Yay!
Wow Wednesday is Watch Out Wednesday, and that's when me and Victoria get a little crazy around the office and practice social distancing, you know. And today we thought, well, we'll make a craft. So we have our materials in front of us, and I have a...
We obviously like markers.
We do. we have a bit of a pen fetish, if you will.
Yes.
But, you know, all for saving the world. But I have a plastic bottle that I'm going to turn into a marker holder. Wow.
And I decided to do a glass. That way we have a little bit more options for you in case you don't have a plastic bottle. I don't know why you wouldn't, because everybody drinks water bottles, which is a smaller one. But you could even go up to, you know, be as large as a 2 liter.
Yeah, you can put anything in these things.
Yeah.
The bigger you go, the more stuff you can put in.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you could even have this as like an allowance jar. It doesn't even have to be a marker holder.
I'm going to give them some allowance.
Does anybody want to donate?
Donate to our cause. That's what I'm going to do now.
Save the world.
Put some money in my jar. Okay.
So just in the sense of time, we went ahead and colored our items. So I'll kind of zoom in a little bit so you can see here. I just did, you know, the design that was on the actual jar already. But you could, you know, just write down, you know, Victoria's marker holder or whatever. And so Kendra, I'll let you show them your beautiful design.
Well, I have a plastic water bottle, and I've already cut the top of it off here. And obviously I need to make it a little shorter because, you know, markers aren't really that tall. So I'm going to cut it down a little bit. I'll make sure you're safety first. Be careful with your scissors or ask for help. So yeah, I'm going to cut.
And I'm going to put some ribbon around mine just to kind of decorate it up a little bit more. Make it look like it's actually meant to be what it is. So ribbon is a great decorative tool.
It's still a little long, but you know what? I kind of like that one.
Oh, that's perfect.
Look at that. My pencil's going to stick out the top.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you could do the bow on the side, you could do the bow in the front, whatever you want to do.
Wow. That looks amazing. I tell you what, we are so crafty.
And you can just
Trim it right on
cut
up.
it however you want to cut it. And again, this can be whatever you want it to be.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That is perfect.
I need to go home and let my kids do this. So, finishing touch. Boom.
Well,
Now you have you a nice,
here we go.
beautiful holder. All right, so make sure you tune in next Wednesday. We'll have another educational video up on our Facebook page. We also have a YouTube account. So that's SWA Public Education. But yeah, so we'll be doing something else and who knows what. But we get really creative, so please tune in next week. And you have anything else to say?
Happy June, everybody.
And happy recycling. Y'all have a great day.
Thank
Happy
you.
Wednesday.
Bye. Wow, that was fun.